mismong mga congressman po like yung mga si Congressman Agyong, nagbanggit po na dapat daw imbestigahan ito ng NBI dahil na binantaan daw po itong dating Pangulo ang mga senador. Ano pong thoughts niyo po doon, sir?
Alam nyo, ang binantaan 15 senador. Hindi natin malaman kung sino doon sa sitting senators o yung bang kakandidato na senators. Tapos, mawalang galang na si kay Congressman Adyong at sa iba pa na congressman natin, nag-i-instigate sila na mag-imbestiga ang NBI. Hindi naman sila yung tinatakot yung mga senador Dapat yung mga senador, kung sino man, silang magreklamo kung alam nila na sila yung tinatakot na ipapapatay. Ganun po
So, ibig sabihin po ngayon, hindi po muna tayo makasagawa ng investigation unless may mag-complain po?
Yes. Alam nyo, yun nga, sinasabi ko sa inyo, part yan ng political propaganda ng isang political party. Mag-deliver ng mga rhetorics. No? Ganun.
But nevertheless po, sineseryoso po natin tumagan to statements nila.
Yun. Kayo na nga nagsabi sa akin, Sir, anong masasabi nyo doon sa joke ni President Rodrigo Duterte na papapatayan 15? O kayo na nagsabi, joke Miski kayo accepted ninyo, na joke lang yun. No? Ganon. Magaling mag-deliver si Presidente Digong, but then, tingnan natin kung kakagatin pa ba yun ng mamamayan ngayon. Di ba?
Pero, Director, may mga nagsasabi din po na may ginawa pong aksyon ng NBI nung pong kay VP Sara naman po. Agad pong nagkaroon ng effort ng NBI para imbestigahan po ito at nauwi na po sa pagpapile ng kaso. So, ano naman po silang kaibahan po nito?
Masyadong magkaiba, no? The joke of President Digong was delivered in a political rally. Yung pagkaka-deliver naman ni Vice President Sara ay nagpatawag talaga siya ng press con at sinabi pa niya at pinangalanan niya kung sino yung mga dapat patayin. The President, the First Lady, and the Speaker of the House. At sinabi pa niya, no joke, no joke. Contrary dito sa deklarasyon ni Presidente Digong, ay kitang-kita ng tao na nagjo-joke lamang siya. Part lamang ng rhetorics ng political speech. Yan.
It's, well, I respect the position of NBI Director if that's how he sees it. Pero, yun nga yung point is, do we allow this kind of rhetorics in the first place? Do we actually normalize this kind of talks? Especially if it's uttered in a very important event like a proclamation rally that would speak about. I don't know how the NBI director sees it, but we are not instigating. We are merely trying to convey a message where if there is a policy that any threats, no matter how you say it, utter it, whether it's a joke or not, you are not allowed to say things about killing other people. No, we are actually trying to convey a message where, in the case of the former president, where he somehow has the license and permit to say anything he says. He can tell you, I will kill you. He can tell you, I will kill him, and then get away with it. I mean, it's time really to draw the line. When do we allow these things, these kind of talks, to go unscathed and without even a sense of impunity? I beg to disagree, and I don't want to again. I respect the position of the NBI director, but then again, this is something that should be taken seriously for an NBI director, for someone who is in charge of really making sure that such talks and such rhetorics don't go overboard as to causing harms and direct as probably causing other people to really act on a certain on the statements made by this influential person, something that should be not taken lightly. No, It's so unfortunate to hear that from the NBI director. Again, hindi naman dapat kami ang aktual na ma-threat para kami manawagan na hindi dapat ito mangyari. It should not be taken that way na dapat ikaw mismo ma-feel na ma-threaten para magsalita kung ano dapat ang tama. Ang mali talaga. Maski kanino yung sinabi, maski sinabi sa kung hindi man ikaw direct na threat or ano, basta sinabi ay mali, hindi tama. I think according to ethical standards, it should be out of bounds. I mean, it doesn't take one to be threatened physically, like me, directly, to say that things are not right to say out in public. So, those talks saying that patayin ng 15 na senador is hindi po dapat sinasabi yun, hindi po dapat tama yun. Wala pong dapat na lugar yun sa ating society at sa ating lipunan.